Hi everyone, welcome to educational series Engineered to Perfection. In these short episodes, we'll cover some secrets on how easy-shaped nail forms can make your sculpting faster and easier. I will quickly go over why we developed the forms, and we'll cover the secrets of getting perfect C-curves without pinching, and much more. My name is Vitaly Fedarchuk, and I'll be your guide for the Engineered to Perfection series. In this episode, we'll talk about how the easy-shaped forms were developed. After that, we'll focus on exploring different features of the form that will make your sculpting fast and easy. And we'll finish with a hands-on segment on how to make a perfect fit for nails with extended hyponychiums. So, how did it all start? We saw a huge constant struggle of nail techs to find the perfect form, and we decided to solve this challenge. I will not bore you with all of the details and steps, but the development took almost a year. We have consulted leading nail technicians and educators, tested numerous adhesives, explored different form shapes, created multiple markings, revised prototypes 7 times, and then we got the perfect form, the easy-shaped nail form. First of all, forms are created on foil paper, giving you enhanced curing. When you're sculpting with a clear or opaque builder, the UV light travels through your extension and bounces back off of the reflective surface. This enhances curing of the bottom portion of your extension, ensuring they're properly cured and stay durable. The butterfly shape of the form ensures the form placement is snug, and it will not move under the nail, ruining your extension. The enhanced marking on the form are easy to read and will provide you with guidelines on sculpting virtually any shape you will ever need. You can use them to sculpt square, oval, almond, stiletto, coffin, edge, pipe, and other nail shapes. Some struggle with a good fit on nails with extended hyponychiums. Easy nail-shaped forms will let you achieve a perfect fit in just one easy step. The hands-on segment in this episode will cover that in details. Easy-shaped nail forms feature a special high adhesion glue, and this one doesn't need explanation. I'm sure most of you know what it is like to sculpt a perfect nail and then have the form open on you. Easy-shaped nail forms will stay exactly the way you put them on. You will also notice another pre-printed cutouts on easy-shaped nail forms, which are designed to give you perfect C-curves without having flat extensions. I know this is a hot topic, so one of the episodes will focus on just that, getting perfect C-curves with easy-shaped nail forms. Another feature you will see on the forms is those little perforated lines. We've simulated the stress points on the form during application and included these perforated lines to release the paper stress so your forms do not crease. Even when you roll the form before application, it will stay nice and smooth without any creasing. The last feature I want to talk about is the precise sculpt technology. A lot of time can be spent trying to modify the forms for clients with flat smile lines. With precise sculpt technology, you'll be able to modify forms for flat smile lines in just seconds without any cutting. One of the episodes focuses on that with a detailed hands-on segment. Now, let's join our chief educator Lilia Saxon for a hands-on segment on form modification for extended hyponychiums.
I'm gonna walk you through the special cutout lines in here because they're made for custom fitting. And the first one we're gonna talk about is the extended hyponychium cutout that fits most extended hyponychiums. This is this one in here. So let's take a look what we do with that. The first thing that we are going to do is to actually follow this perforation line in here and tear that piece because that's gonna help us with the fitting. Then remove the form, place that extra piece in here a little lower because I do not want to cut a double layer in that area. After that, with sharp scissors, I'm following this line. So here's my beautiful cutout. Now, before I apply it on the finger, I need to roll it to make sure that it repeats a C-curve, a natural C-curve. And then let's see, you see how this nail has an extended hyponychium? So let's see what's going to happen. What happens is this fits it perfectly. You see how well the fit is? This is what we want to have in a proper professional nail form. Why? Because every nail tech knows that if you need to do this on all 10 nails, oh yeah, that's gonna take some time. But if you already have a line that you need to follow, that's gonna save you at least half of that time.
Now you know why we're so passionate about our easy shape nail forms and how they can save your time. I'll see you in the next episode where we'll learn how to create perfect C-curves without pinching. This will make your nails look slimmer and much stronger. Easy shape nail forms, engineered to perfection.